Hey, outdoor guys there. We're just up in Gamble on our way into Port de Grave to see the lights. And we stopped in to get some gas at South End Gas, yeah.
South End Gas, just off the highway there through Gamble, Gamble intersection, about a kilometre, nowhere.
I don't know if it's a kilometre, is it?
Yeah, half a kilometre.
Anyway, yeah, we're just off the highway, and we're going to go in and say hello to South End Gas Bar. They sponsored this video.
They're one of our sponsors for this video.
Yeah, one of the sponsors for this video, and we want to thank them very much for helping us out today.
8.99, my lover.
Thank you. I should do, I think. We're at the Sign Factory, picking up our gear. Check out the Sign Factory and get some Outdoor Guys merch. Thank you very much, everybody, for the support. Thank you.
Yeah, and Sign Factory's in Glovertown, Newfoundland.
Well, we made it. Upper Island Home.
I don't know how we got her.
Bellevue Cottage. Beautiful. It's stunning. We were a little shocked when we got here, I think.
We wouldn't enter yet.
No, I doubt it.
Oh, okay.
Anyway.
I just hope there's some cookies in there.
Chicken out. Wow.
This is amazing.
Wow. This is beautiful. Beautiful sign.
Game room. What a room.
Dog room.
Yeah, huge spot. The 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Beautiful. Beautiful kitchen. The view we're going to show you in a second.
That's amazing.
And they even left us some cookies. Huh? Someone got into the cookies quick.
Oh.
Danny, you see that?
What? I found some cookies.
Absolutely beautiful place. But I think the piece de la resistance is this out there. Just look at that view. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Anyway, oh my God, it's a beautiful spot.
Hey, Dawn.
Upper Island Cove, Newfoundland. If you're looking for somewhere to stay, Bellevue Cottage is
Dawn, come here.
unbelievable.
What a massive room.
Huge master bedroom overlooking that beautiful view I just showed you. And
I don't know how me and you are going to fit in this.
ensuite jacuzzi.
Nice.
Me and Danny's gonna watch each other's backs. Ensuite jacuzzi and stand-up shower, if you're wondering. Anyway, absolutely stunning place. Huge, beautiful.
About 80 feet long.
Yeah, huge. And the view. I mean, just look at that. It's unreal.
Have a beautiful day. Lots of coffee on the go. We're at Port de Grave. The boat lighting just before it starts is about 5 minutes. It's supposed to start, but I'm not sure if it's going to be a major turn the lights on or what. But I guess we'll go head up to the main stage. There's music. Santa Claus is supposed to be there, and it's freezing. What do you think, Tone?
Yeah, it's warmer stuff.
No,
The lights are beautiful.
it's not stopping from people coming out here anyway. So we should head up to the stage there now before it starts. A few people are Tone.
1 2 1 2.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, resting holiday style. Anywhere there's a
Hello.
You're the ones that he's on the make cookies, are they?
Yeah, we're crazy guys. chewing gum but not singing.
See the kids.
Well, we got we're out here at
Port of Grave Lighting.
Port of Grave Lighting.
Boat lighting.
Yeah, you can see behind us. It was pretty neat.
Yeah, a little ceremony, I guess you want to call it.
Yeah, the Premier of Newfoundland was there, and NTV, and a bunch of other people. We're just going around now to check it out, see what it's like. Walk around the harbour. It's a bit chilly. It's winter time. And we're going to try to get up top too, up and look out over the thing. We'll see how that goes.
Drone footage might be a
issue.
It's a big issue.
Yeah. We tried to be nice and do some interior drone footage. It didn't work out.
Train, no comment, Train. No comment. It was a smart thing what Tony did.
Yeah.
If it worked out.
Anyway, let's go check it out.
It's just me and Santa. Wait, I'm gonna look for some mackerel. Look at the liceman on it, didn't it? Crazy. Oh yeah, it's a nice spot here. Yeah, we're gonna go up now to get like a steps here about 5, 6, 7 stories high. Show everybody the full aerial view. It's the only way we're gonna get aerial view today, I guess. Should look nice. Tom, we gonna make it or what?
Hey, I would like to give a special thank you to South End Gas and Convenience and Bellevue Cottages for sponsoring this video and making it possible. Although, in this video, nothing really went as planned. We're out a drone and some mics at the moment, and videos haven't been coming out as fast because I am working. Live streams are still going ahead on Facebook and TikTok, so if you're not following, follow us over there. We just hit 150,000 on Facebook. Thank you very much. Another special thank you to the Sign Factory for doing our merch. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing on YouTube is absolutely free. You can undo it at any given point in time. Yeah, that's about it. Bye-bye.